NeST Group is a multifarious conglomerate with global footprint and business interest across technology, software, education, training, food and beverage, and infrastructure businesses. Excellence achieved through an unparalleled drive towards ensuring highest levels of quality in all of their products and services became the key differentiator for the NeST Group, earning them great renown among technology giants of the world. Pursuing a customer-first and employee-friendly culture across all the business units, the group is in the forefront to build a robust and sustainable business. Known as a visionary trendsetter, a true innovator and complete solutionist, NeST over the years delivered to the world game-changing technology advancements as a trusted backbone to the OEMs across the globe. Whether from healthcare, communication, aerospace and defense, industrial or energy sectors, all of their customers discovered that they could rely on the breadth of competencies of NeST Group like RF and wireless, digital and power electronics, optronics, sheet metal and plastics, tool room or magnetics to outsource their designs to sub-assembly manufacturing or high-level assembly of equipment to NeST. The world-class infrastructure and quality certifications with no similar parallels from India made NeST the sole icon of Make in India program, much before it was conceived by the government of India. Driven by a passion to excel, the world-class design and software centers of NeST became extended arms, providing advanced technology solutions to their ever-increasing demands of their global customers. NeST became pioneers in flight data analysis and aircraft performance and operational efficiency enhancement solutions, development of advanced spatial data infrastructure and applications, providing mission-critical solutions for the banking and insurance domains, and developing state-of-the-art IoT and cloud-based solutions. Realizing the challenging need to develop industry-ready professionals, NeST spearheaded a unique education and training division. Starting from a modern K to 12th school, IT training center, fiber optic technology training center, and GIS training facility, this division provides best-in-class specialized training, transforming young minds into world-beating technology professionals. Diversification is the name of the game. Food and Beverages division of NeST redefined the industry with their mantra, "We believe in quality and process." May not be a leader or challenger, but Golden Valley, Royal Delicacy, Royal Malabar, and Enju's are known among the consumers as brands that they can ever trust for quality of products. From food to infrastructure sector is a natural progression. As a glowing tribute to their infra projects, NeST is proud to announce the NeST High-Tech Park, slated to become a future technology hub of the nation, bringing global manufacturing giants to the shores of Kerala. With an insatiable quest to unravel new and challenging business arenas, NeST has built an organization of renown, enriched by integrity in relationships, business ethics, and safeguarding prosperity for all their stakeholders. NeST Group, celebrating 25 years of unbeaten business excellence.